Okay, hi everyone. I'm having a difficult problem with my car, and I would like to know if anybody out there can help me out. I have a 2004 Chevy Impala, and every so often it does not want to start. Like today, where I've been stuck for over an hour. And what happens is nothing. Now, the lights that show, the check engine light will stay on, but that security light is the devil. I don't know. Usually that check engine light is not on, but it's just a security light. So if anybody out there, let me know. I've looked at other videos where people say to remove the cluster BCM fuse. I've tried that. It's not working. I don't know what else to do. And when we take it to the dealer, they don't know. And we've taken it to other mechanics and they don't know. But I know that there's a problem because I'm not the only one out there that has it. So thank you for any comments. Bye.